Oh, I see. Yeah, go. Good shooting, guys. One of them was banded!
Did you get that on film, bro?
No.
We'll get another chance at him here. They're coming back.
Get up, fly around, land right back where they were.
Oh yeah, too. Like straight out right from me.
More right.
Oh no, I've got a flock of geese coming right at us.
All right, there's another flock right.
They're going towards the home farm now. 2, 4, 5.
Oh yeah, I see those.
Okay, I see that now. I see that other flock too. Yeah, those are all geese.
Hello, welcome back to another outdoor adventure somewhere in Wisconsin.
They're flipping on their back, guys.
Are they?
Yep. Coming hard back left corner.
We calling or no?
No.
You want me to cluck at them?
No.
What? Coming, they're coming. Are these geese out front too? Yeah. Tom, you calling it?
I can.
Yeah, you call it.
Got a 5-pack like low coming right behind all these. Back roots are setting up a little bit more. Front rights are getting low. We'll leave the first couple alone.
Yeah, go. Good shooting, guys.
Good shooting, guys.
I was worried about hitting a duck right there. AJ, good job. That was fun, dude.
That was good.
Sweet.
Pick him up. Yep. That was well done.
Boom, 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 boom.
I thought that was gonna go that far. Was gonna get away.
I think we both shot at him. I can't remember though. Where is that far one? Oh, I see. More sleepers in the spread.
Yeah, once those 2 on the ground picked up, we didn't have a choice.
Nope, that was the right time. I mean, to shoot 4 out of there is take that every time.
I just wish there was a fucking 50 of them.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
See that farthest one that landed? He was like,
Oh yeah, out there. The first one? Yeah, I was like, oh, I could shoot him when he gets up.
papers, everybody.
You can put him in sleepers. Those ducks came in right behind him.
I pulled up on a duck after my first shot.
Yeah.
Didn't have anything else to shoot on. I was like, oh wait, what can do?
That's funny.
Hey, we got more geese coming. From the right. See him?
Holy shit.
No.
Right here.
Oh yeah. Yep. See 'em.
It's like an 8-pack.
There's a bunch behind us, but I don't know if those are ones we shot at already.
Those are the ones that we got shot.
Whatever's behind us was close.
Start calling at him. Somebody I can't reach.
Another group coming. A bunch behind us. There's a bunch behind us.
Yeah, yeah. I can't see him.
They're setting up. They're back closer to the pond. Here they come. There's about 8. Right shoulder, guys.
Yeah, they're coming in.
Next time they come, kill them, okay?
Yeah.
Lean back. Right on top of us.
I gotta get out front. Just hold on.
Yeah, they pushed out. They're gonna go back over there. They're behind us, bro.
Right over us. Right over us. Here they come again.
Around behind us.
There's a group right on top of us in front. Let's go.
Get the ones on the ground, AJ. Good shot,
1,
dude.
2,
I'm out
3,
swinging way out.
4. You gotta go with that one stand and the other one go down way out there? Huh? There's one way out there that went down too.
Way out.
Yeah. Oh, shoot that one, AJ. Good shot, Tom. Shoot that one, AJ. Good. Can one of you text Greg and ask him to grab the phone, my phone out of my car?
Yeah.
I think it's in my cup holder. Seven. I hear him honking somewhere.
Alright.
That was fun.
Yeah.
The other one group finished a little farther left in the heavy group over there. The other one's perfect.
Hey, facing the right way.
It's gonna be windy. That's the problem. Hello, welcome back to another outdoor adventure somewhere in Wisconsin. Am I recording? Hello, welcome back to another outdoor adventure somewhere in Wisconsin. Late season goose. We're dancing already. We got 7 geese down. We've been set up for what, 20 minutes? Like actually set up, but if we were here maybe an hour earlier, if these two guys didn't have to work, we'd probably be almost done by now.
Yeah, we'd be done.
Yeah. So
If maybe if we had a later season on ducks, we'd be done on those too.
yeah. Yeah, we could have shot a bunch of ducks already. You guys saw that, but anyways, should be a fun one today. We got enough geese around, and it's snowing, as you guys can see. We got blizzard conditions for a whopping 2 to 5 inches of snow today, and
It is pretty brutal out here though right now.
yeah, it's cold and windy. Here comes some geese. Left? Oh shit.
Fast, hard.
Yeah.
Just the way we like it. Locked up too.
Oh my god. You see him, Tom?
Locked up.
Mhm.
Alright.
Holy shit.
Don't call.
Oh, I just didn't want him to finish early.
I just don't want them to look at it.
Oh, I got you.
You cutting these? 'Cause my point is
Just wait.
I'm taking them as soon as they're in range.
All right, close. You closed?
Slow.
Right over the top, out front. Huh?
That's what I can barely see them with my blind.
Okay, they're off the right side of your boots. We got drifting right in front. They seem to want to come to the noise. I didn't know if you could see him or not. I almost called the shot. Oh, okay. Oh, right in front, right in front, right in front. We can probably close our blind. Kill him, Tom. Oh, I didn't think he was going to go down
I got hit right in the eyeball with an
with
empty.
the shell.
Because I saw him falling and I saw him
Whoa!
interrupted it. You interrupted the fall.
And Danny was like just getting out to where I couldn't really swing real good.
Yeah.
So I took my time, got on him, killed him, and all of a sudden it was like, wham! That empty shell was like Bobby Boucher. Captain Insano. Stuck me in the fucking eyeball.
Just couldn't let him have it, could you, Chase? You just had to jump in there and you had to. You got that Scotty blood in you.
All I know.
Hey, in the afternoon.
Okay, yeah, so
a flock of 20 coming in.
Okay.
And they're finishing.
We already landed like 8 or 9.
Yeah, we already had 8 or 9 on the ground, and I'm letting them crawl right to us. And it was like, as I was opening up my mouth to say, okay, kill him,
bang!
I was like, and it was like, boom! So then everybody was like, okay, boom, boom, boom. And we
shot like 8,
we rained like 8 or 9 of them out.
So he had it right.
It was a good shoot.
Yeah.
He
and
did.
I'm like,
He goes, who shot? Here he goes, who popped up? And my dad's like, I shot first.
and then he goes, it was time.
It was time. It's like,
I said,
no, it's
you're not wrong, Scotty.
But
I said, but let's give these guys on the left side a fair chance too.
Oh man, that was funny.
No, we rained.
Scotty was like, I already see what the left side can do. We gotta finish.
Oh man,
working, boys.
Yeah.
There were some good rainouts. There was some good shooting on Sunday. There was some very bad shooting on Sunday too.
Jeez, yeah, there was some.
In the morning?
There's been some immaculate shooting today, fellas.
Yeah.
Especially that last one that just came and I smoked it.
Smoked my fucking cornea.
But it wasn't like, this is the funny part. It wasn't like boom, boom. It was like
No.
boom, boom.
He hung there for a second, like it was weird. I thought he was gonna fly away.
You must have been running in slow-mo, like, because it was like boom, boom. I was like, okay.
I definitely agree that I shot late, but it like surprised me that he was still hanging up in the air like that. Oh, I think he must have got like caught in the wind a little bit.
Yeah. Blocked their wings on my right side.
More ducks coming from that
I
direction.
could shoot these
Oh, there's another group.
Another big group behind us there. God damn it.
Another big group. All right, camera died, but we just knocked 2 more down, and one of them was banded. Woo!
And that band's almost falling off that bird.
Really?
There's a big gap on that.
Joke's on us, it was banded 2 blocks away.
It might have been 1258. Do you have 1258 on yours?
I have 1258.
You have a 1258?
I think I have my 1258 is from Peewinuk.
Yeah, my 1278 is from Peanut, so it's probably Peewinuk bird.
Well, my 1278 was from down the road.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on the hunt today. It was a pretty fun. We ended up our day with 11 birds. Cold. It was like 22 degrees and windy when we got out there, and then by the time we left, like 2 hours later, it was about 3 or 4 degrees, 30-mile-an-hour winds. So the wind chill was pretty frosty cold that day, but it was a fun hunt. It was right on the front of that supposed blizzard. We had like a blizzard warning earlier in the week. It got canceled. Then it was just like severe wind chills and cold weather and a little bit of snow. We only ended up with an inch or 2 of snow that day, but it was a fun hunt, getting on the birds in front of that blizzard, and it was a good one. Too cold to do the outro in the field. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Chase. We're always somewhere in Wisconsin. We'll see you on the next one.